So today we're going to be talking about how we can actually make, and this is the exact plan that you can actually use to make $1 million with the help of YouTube without selling. That is, this thing will be a pure profit to be true. This thing will be pure profit, and how you can actually do this. Now, this is not my own idea, but this is an idea that I have taken inspiration from, which is by Kevin Kelly. This person named Kevin Kelly have given an idea or had given us an idea in which we can actually understand. This is termed as true fans to be true. This is known as true fans. The thing that we know right now as only fans and all these things are built on in this whole segment. That means what? That means all these platforms are built on this ideology. That means what? According to Kevin Kelly, and I'm just writing KK up here, according to Kevin Kelly, if we have near about 1,000 true fans, okay, so if we have 1,000 true fans, we can actually make some real profits. Let me do the math, and I'm going to be showing you that how you can actually do this. For example, here you can see a channel that is known as movie recaps. Here you can see a channel that is named as mystery recap. So now we know that whenever you use YouTube automation, what we do is very simple. So for that, we first take a script, and then we use a video editor, and you use a voice editor also. For example, this is a voiceover artist, and then we give it to a video editor, and then we get a upload. Then we need to upload it with proper SEO, and after that we optimize the whole thing, and then our channel grows just like anything. Now, what is the 1,000 true fan thing is? Now let's understand this thing. For example, on this channel, you can see 20 hours ago there has been an upload, and 306k views have actually been there. One day ago, 118k. So on 1,000 fans, the main concept is, for example, if you have 1,000 true fans who are genuinely your fans and ready to buy anything that you sell, and I'm not talking about some real crap things, but real things according to that niche. For example, if you have 1,000 true fans and you are selling them something that is near about $10 a month, okay, that is $10 a month, and it is coming around $120, that is coming around $120 every single year. So we take it as, we round it off as $100. So 1,000 multiplied with 100 gives us near about 100k, okay. So it gives us near about 100k. Now, what is the thing that we can sell? For example, the $10 product can be anything that you want. It can be a gift item, it can be a gift, it can be a print on demand thing, it can be a portrait, whatever you want to choose. Or it can be, even for example, on movie recaps, you can give them an additional like 5 to 10 exclusive videos that you have made only for really selective number of people. So this is the ideology. For example, whenever you do this, you are going to be getting something real exciting. So let me just close the whole thing up so that I can show you something real amazing. That is a channel just like Mystery Recap. You can see that they are uploading videos just like this, which is really mysterious. And this is very simple because they are doing what? They are actually taking films which are in the mysterious genre, and then they are giving a summary, you can say, or after that they are making a script, and they are using voiceover artist, and then they are uploading the whole video. So people are loving this work, and you can see whenever we go on to Social Blade, you will be able to see that this channel is making some real great amount of money, like 15 to $20,000 every single month. Now, whenever you just remove this whole thing, if you keep away all of the things, for example, if we talk about only about the money that we can generate from this, all this true fan ideology, then for example, if you have a channel like Mystery Recap, if you have a channel like Movie Recap, if you have a channel like Fox Recap, so you are having 10 channels onto the same niche, and you do not have to basically show your face. So these 10 channels are like 10 brands of yours. right? So you have 10 brands of yours onto the same niche, and after that you have got 1000, you have got 1000 followers, 1000 true fans who are ready to buy whatever you want to sell. And then you are gonna be giving away like $100. You're gonna be getting $100 profit every single year from them. Now let's do some calculation. For the people who are just weak in maths, it's completely okay. So you can see two zeros up here, and then here are three zeros up here. Okay, so right now three zeros up here and a single zero up here. So if we calculate the whole thing, you will be able to see that we can actually make $1 million with the help of this. Now you need to do what is the reason of doing this? This is scaling. So the first step, the very beginner step or the newbie step, is to make this thing, that is to make a channel onto a single niche and then scale it to 10 channels or 10 onto a same niche or to a different niche. That is completely up to you. For example, do I do it myself? Yes, I do it myself also. For example, I can sell you a course, or I can give you some suggestions that will be beneficial for you. For example, I help you with some softwares, like you can say that the softwares that is AI writing that I share with you, that is a writer. All right, so I actually share some softwares, and right now we have got like 100 subscribers, almost 100 subscribers, and out of which, let's assume that we have got 3 true fans who are just watching our video, who are loving our product. And not just 100, it is my own opinion with this, because I have got more than 40 to 50 people who are true fan. Why is the reason that I have got is very simple. This is because I have used something that is SEO. That is a advanced thing that you can also use. That is, I have optimized my videos according to the demand that my audience that I want to target are actually wanting to. That means what? I have actually supplied them the thing that they are demanding. So I have provided them the software that they are using, and I am getting a monthly recurring revenue from that software because I have shared some quality. And here is the truth: do not give them crap. It is my earnest request to you: do not give them real crap things, but help them genuinely with the softwares that you are actually using. For example, I love Writer. I myself use Writer. I use the softwares that I am telling to you, and this is the reason. For example, I use vidIQ. I know how vidIQ works. I use TubeBuddy. I know how TubeBuddy works. That is the things that I am actually recommending to you all. Here are the secrets. For example, even if I don't use the softwares, I actually give you some review that if it is good or bad. I always try to give the 100% best results, to try to be honest actually, so that I can provide the best value, because it's a long-term game that we are playing, right? So that whenever we do the whole thing up, we are going to be getting some real great results and real great honest true fans who actually trust on us, and we are being able to actually, I am myself being able to deliver them the results. And by which, for example, when I shared them the videos, and after that they buy the softwares, they get results, and again they actually trust on me because I can help them up with the results. And this is the exam that is the example thing, and this is the exact same thing that you can even use. For example, whenever you're selling them like $100 profit you're getting, so this is the exact